Hi everyone, welcome back. So we were discussing about the vertical shift. So here in the vertical shift, same as that of the process what we have done in the lateral shift. In the vertical shift, what we will do, first thing we will do, what we will place one chart and we will place the chart on the drawing board. Okay, after that what we will do, we will place the glass slab. How we will place the glass slab? In the vertical position on the white chart. So usually in the lateral shift we will be placing it what in the horizontal position, but in the vertical shift what we will do, we will place the glass slab in the vertical position. And as usual what we will be doing the next process, we will be with a pencil we will drawing the border of the glass slab on the white chart. After that we will be removing this glass slab and we will be naming those vertices as what A, B, C and D. Okay, after that what we will do, we will with a pencil we will draw one line perpendicular to the longer line CD. To the longer line CD we will draw one perpendicular line. Okay, and this normal line will act as what? This line will act as a normal. Okay, now what we will do, we will take one pin. Okay, and usually in the lateral shift what we will be doing, we will be we will be inserting the pin on the normal, right? We will be inserting the lateral shift, we will be inserting two pins on the normal. But here what we will do, we will not insert it, we will just place it horizontally, such that the sharp end of the pin will be touching the line, normal line. Okay, means what? Whatever the length of the pin is, it will be parallel to the longer line. So here we are not inserting it, we are just placing the pin. Okay, we are just placing the pin that this length of the pin is parallel to the longer line CD at some point on the normal line. Now what we will do, how we will be placing it, we will be looking through the glass slab, and we will be placing the pin, we will be just placing the pin horizontally on the, such that one end of the pin will be touching the normal line. You understood? Now what we will do, we will just take one more pin, and what we will be doing, we will not see the one we will be looking through the air. So this is our what? This is our air and this is our what? Glass. So one eye will be looking through the glass slab, with the other eye will be looking in through the air, and we will be placing the second pin in such a way that these two pins are on the same line. With one eye we will be looking through the pin and the second pin will be looking through the air, and we will be not insert the pin, we just place the pin in such a way that those two pins are on this straight line of path. So we are one eye we are looking through the glass slab, and with the other eye through the air we will be placing what? We will be placing the pin. We will not insert the pin, we just place the pin in such a way that these two appears to be in the same line of path. But what we can observe that when we look out, when we remove the glass slab, and when we observe that these two pins are not on the straight line of path. These two pins, what we can observe, that these two pins are not on the straight line of path. We can observe a gap between these two pins. So this gap, whatever this gap is there, that is nothing but the distance, the perpendicular distance between, if you draw two lines here, the perpendicular distance between the two pins, one is what you can say, one is as an incident and other one as an emergent ray. The distance between these two pins will tell us about what? Vertical shift. Now through the vertical shift value we can find what? We can find the refractive index of glass slab. How? There is a formula. What is the refractive index of glass slab? N is equal to thickness of the slab by thickness of the slab minus vertical shift. So that means what? Before doing the experiment, what we will do, we will find the thickness of the glass slab. After that, after the experiment, what we will get? We will get the vertical shift value. Through this we will be finding the refractive index value. N is equal to thickness of the slab minus thickness of the slab by thickness of the slab minus vertical shift. I hope everyone understood my today's concept, right? Okay, thank you. Have a good day.